Hello everybody, this is Brad from Johnson Small Engines. We're going to do a demonstration on the LX188 John Deere on how to start it and run the mower deck and actually properly set the mower deck height. I have a lot of people who, I use this as a loaner, and a lot of people run it on the wheels on the mower deck and they think that's correct, and it is not. These are anti-scout wheels. This one here and this one here, they're anti-scout wheels. They should not run on the ground. They're basically designed to, if the mower deck right before it gouges the ground, these will hit the ground. So I consider them anti-scout wheels. That's what they're there for. So I just want to show you how to adjust the mower deck accordingly and also start the machine up. So we have controls here. Is turtles up here is fast, and we have the turtle down here for slow. Of course, rabbits up here for fast. We have choke. So when you start it, you're going to put it all the way up in choke. And as soon as it starts, bring it down to about half throttle. Just let it warm up for a couple minutes. This particular model here is a Kawasaki. It's a water-cooled engine. It's got burning. It's burning a little bit of oil, but it does smoke a little bit, but it does go away. So this is just for a user-friendly machine. It'll smoke a little bit, but it goes away. And this is just basically for somebody to cut their grass while I have their machine in my shop. And just want to let them know that it does smoke a little bit, but it does go away. All right, so after you get it started, all right, bring it down to the turtle mode. Just let it warm up a little bit, maybe a little bit above that. And then once it's warmed up, you're ready to set your mower deck. Now, I'd recommend setting this a couple different times so you get to know exactly how it is. But the mower deck blade up and down is right here. Okay, to adjust the dial, which is center, which is right here. To adjust this dial, you have to have this mower deck handle all the way in the up position, lock it in all the way up. Then you can turn this dial. Now, plus or minus, just like it says. Now, right here is the reading. There's a little indicator right here on the mower itself. It doesn't even have like it's just like a little divot. All right, so when you turn this, which is real easy to turn, as long as this handle's up, it's easy to turn. So if you want it set at like 2 inches, now I don't go by the 2.5. Now you can put it down after you set the dial, then you put your lever down, push the button in, pull back a little bit, push the button in, and push it down. That will lock it into this position. Now you cannot turn this, okay? That's because your handle's down. So if you don't like that cut right there, bring it back up and switch it. If you want a little bit higher, turn to 3, push the mower handle back down, lock it in, that'll be at 3. Okay, and just basically go into your property, go into your yard, find out where you like it, and then that's how you do it. So you handle all the way up, turn the dial, push handle down, that locks it into that spot. And just keep doing that until you get your happy medium, or whatever you like. So I'm gonna put the mower deck up for now, just to starting purposes. And I'm gonna show you on this side. Now when you're ready to engage the mower deck itself, this is not a handle engagement, it's actually called a PTO switch. And this switch is just flip it up, and it'll engage the mower deck. That's when you have to have the mower at about 3/4 throttle to full speed before you engage this mower deck. This is a 48-inch mower. It's a bigger mower. It takes a lot of horsepower to start it. So 3/4 throttle, and then get your blade where you want it, all the way down to the engagement. And then at 3/4 throttle, you pull the switch up. I have people a lot of times will actually run out of gas in the middle of the property with their mower deck on, get off their tractor, go get gas, put the gas in the tank, and then they don't realize that the mower deck PTO actually switches up. They'll turn a key and they'll get this. Actually, it doesn't even do anything on this tractor. Usually you hear a click. This will not start with the mower deck in the on position. A lot of people will call me and say my tractor won't start, and I'll ask them what happened. Oh, it ran out of gas, I went to go get gas and now it won't start. All I ask them to do is check to make sure that that PTO switch is down, and then it should start up. Okay, so I just did that for that purpose alone. Saw a little bit of smoke there. Now, as far as moving this forward and backward, okay, we have pedal, and I think the gentleman I'm giving this to for a loaner, I think that the pedals are the same on his tractor, but you have forward and you have reverse. And you have to have, this is the emergency brake right here. Emergency brake has to be on, and there's an emergency handle right here. Okay, so if you push down on the emergency brake and then lightly push down on this pad right here, it'll go down. You have to have pressure on the emergency brake to flip this handle up or to flip it down. If I don't have any pressure on it, like the way right now, it won't go down, it'll actually break. So be careful, it's spring loaded. Push the pedal in, push the pad down, the brake is off. Push the brake on, push the pedal up, let go of the pedal, and it's on, and it's it's engaged. This is the way I start all tractors. So right now I'm going to start the tractor up itself. So up on choke, crank it, down off the choke. You want to run the mower deck now, and put it down to your position where you want it, and throttle up a little bit. PTO on. That's pretty much how to run the LX188. It should be similar to your tractor, but the PTO is what I wanted to show you. So thanks for watching.